Good morning, unicorns. Today is Wednesday, March 31st. Miss Sanders here. I wanted to go over our third quarter benchmark and yearly results with the entire school so we can all know where we stand as a campus in comparison not only to our middle school counterparts, but also to our district. So bear with me as we go through this presentation. All right, so here we are with all grades and subjects, third quarter benchmark. I am so honored to let you all know that we are the second highest performing middle school in the district. As you can see, our school is doing amazing. We're only behind Dodge Magnet Middle School, who has 55.7% of their students at proficiency, but we are behind them just by a bit at 42.9%. And this is just a huge win for our campus. We are a campus that is a neighborhood school, and we accept all students regardless of boundaries, regardless of any category. There's no application to get into Utterback. And so this comparison to a school that's a magnet school that has way more resources than Utterback is phenomenal. And I am so exceptionally proud of you all. So congratulations to our entire campus. This really does take a whole village to get to these scores. So again, congratulations, team. Wonderful job, team. So proud of everyone. So next up, let's take a look at each subject, okay? Let's take a look and see how the subjects did compared to the middle schools and then also compared to the entire district. So here we have our ELA assessment data for all grades 6th, 7th, and 8th grade for the third quarter benchmark. And as you can see, this is a tremendous win for us as well. We are fourth out of all the middle schools in the district. And again, another huge win. We are running in at 41.6%, and you can see we just missed the second and third spots by just a smidgen of percentage points. And so this is just a message to all of us that every answer counts, every student counts, and this is why we must always continue to do our best, because sometimes it comes down to just that small percentage. But that's okay, because again, we're still going up against two magnet schools, and Gridley, which is located in a different part of town that has a little bit more resources than we do, but we're still competitive. So congratulations, ELA department. If we take a look at where we were in the second quarter for ELA, you can see that we did go up a bit. We went from the fourth spot in this quarter, so we grew. We were in the sixth spot in second quarter, and now we're in the fourth spot for third quarter. So that is a huge win for the ELA department. Great job, you guys. So now let's take a look at some of the highlights I do want to spotlight one class in particular, our 8th grade class. Second in the district out of middle schools for ELA performance. Wonderful, wonderful job. Almost each and every last one of you were tested. As you can see down here, we had 94 students tested. I believe we have maybe 100 students, so there were only just a few kids who weren't tested. So that is even a bigger win, because you guys, as a collective, are the second highest performing literacy students in the district, and that should feel so good in terms of middle school. So huge, huge win. This helps to propel our entire ELA department, because there's so many 8th grade students and high performing students. Way to end the year, 8th grade. So proud of you. Congratulations, Miss Johnson, Marlowe. I know that you were waiting for these results with biting your nails. I know that you put in so much effort, and I just want to say congratulations. It all paid off. 8th graders, thank you for leaving a legacy of our School of Excellence. This was your last benchmark of the year, your last benchmark of middle school. You guys will go off to high school and do wonderful things. You are so capable. Again, congratulations. And then here's ELA compared to the district for the year. I think this is a really fun data to look at, because now we're comparing ourselves out of 89 schools, high school, middle school, elementary schools. Look at us. We're on the front homepage. We're number 12th out of 89 schools in ELA. Huge win. And that helps to add to us being a top tier school, okay? You guys rocked it. So proud of you. Congratulations to our awesome ELA department, Miss Comerford, Miss Williams, Miss Johnson Marlowe, Miss Dufresne. Thank you for your continuous efforts. They do not go underappreciated. Thank you so much, team. Thank you, students. Let's go over now to math. So here we are with math, all grades, third quarter benchmark, and here we are again, you guys, at the top, right? Number 2 in the middle, out of middle schools, number 2 out of middle schools, and again, still just behind Dodge. They are the school to beat, and I think that maybe next year we will be able to overpower them. I'm pretty certain. And so congratulations, math department, number 2. Huge. This is huge, students. Oh my goodness. And then here we are with some highlights here, with math being at number 2 as well. Miss Noodleman, this is an awesome, awesome thing for our campus. And look how close we are to Dodge. We're at 50% of our students are proficient. That is huge, you guys. We're playing a proficiency game. That means proficiency means on grade level. Look how close we are to Dodge. That is the closest metric we make to Dodge, beyond beating them in one of these slides. But look at this, 2%, you guys. That is just such a small number of opportunity to overpower Dodge at some point. Again, we're competing as a neighborhood school with the magnets, and that is a huge thing. 7th grade students, oh my gosh, look at what your hard work, all of that tutoring, all of that perseverance has done. You are number 2 out of all middle schools in performance and proficiency. Congrats. Okay, here it is. Our only and number 1 spot out of all the data comes in algebra. Oh my goodness. Look at us, you guys. We are number 1 in algebra. This is huge. This is magnificent. Congratulations, Mr. Montiel, the algebra students. You have done it. You have done it. I am so proud of you. This is a combination of hard work, effort, and brilliance. And you guys have made us number 1 in algebra of all the middle schools. Congratulations. Huge congratulations, you guys. See, hard work does pay off. Here's our math scores compared to the school district, and we are number 6, y'all. Woohoo! Yes! Out of all of the schools in the entire district, Utterback is number 6 in math. We are killing it across the board, okay? This is a combination of all efforts. So great job, team. So proud of you, Miss Marks, Miss Doodleman, Mr. Chavita, Mr. Montiel. You guys are an amazing team, a dream team, if I may. And so we are so proud of you. Congratulations. Here's our school compared to the district. So for the entire school year, we are ranking at number 8 out of 89 schools, y'all. Can you believe it? You go to one of the best schools in the district. How does that feel? I know sometimes it gets hard. I know sometimes you feel like you can't do it. And I know sometimes you get tired. But look at what you've done. You've persevered through that. And that's what it takes. It's not about luck. It's about hard work, effort, and a drive to want to do it. And you have a team of teachers that want to do this with you. We just need you to get on board. If you're not on board and you haven't been on board, shame on you. But it's not too late. Get on this moving train because we are trying to be at the top spot, y'all. We're competing against magnets, selective enrollment schools, schools that you have to get tested into, schools that serve high economic communities. We are competing against all of that. It doesn't matter where you come from. It doesn't matter what you think you can't do. Look, we can do it. And we are the underling here. We are the underling. We are doing it. Congratulations, you guys. All right, so AZM2 begins next week. Let's keep up this amazing work. All that we've done here will move over into AZM2. So if you didn't think that you could do it, guess what? You can. Yes, this test will be a little bit more challenging, but you are so prepared. You're some of the most prepared students in the entire district. I know that you got it. All right. So keep up your efforts. Make sure you fuel those bodies for next week. Next week, we begin AZM2. All right. This is the state test. This is going for the gold. This is where the big wigs look at our school to see what we are capable of. Let's continue to show them what we got over here at Utterback Middle School, okay? AZM2 writing begins next week. So 6th graders, you guys will start testing right first thing on Monday. 7th graders, you're Tuesday. And 8th graders, you're on Thursday, okay, guys? Get plenty of rest. Remember, no school on Friday, so you have an extra day to prepare, to rest your minds, catch up on any work that you have missing. I know that you can do it. Let's go, unicorns.